Welcome all to the Pima Air and Space Museum located in Tucson, Arizona. Behold, in front of you today we have a former China Southern Airlines 737-300, a 28-year-old 737 under the registration November 759 Bravo Alpha. This 28-and-a-half-year-old aircraft flew for China Southern Airlines from September of 1993 until its preservation here at the Air and Space Museum in August of 2012. This being a 737 Classic, it does not have any winglets and holds two CFM 56 3B1 engines shown in front of you. Despite the 737-300 being an aging aircraft with an average age of 25.5 years, there are still quite a few airlines and charters that fly it throughout the world, such as iAero Airways, Canadian North, and Northern Air Cargo, just to name a few.